a look into the future as we reveal unseen military wonders. Get ready to be amazed by incredible advancements in technology. Introducing the Bayraktar TB2 Drone. This amazing drone from Turkey has flown for over 400,000 hours all over the world. This isn't just a normal drone, it can carry and fire missiles. Its creation was triggered by a ban in the US on sending armed drones to Turkey. The TB2 has a top-notch design including a special blended wing body design, 3 backup systems for the electronics, and it can fly on its own. Even when it couldn't get parts from other countries, the TB2 managed to adjust, using parts made in its own country. This drone shows off clever thinking and the ability to adjust. A real gem in today's military tech. Let's take a look at the self-steering bullet. An invention of the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency is meticulously designed to pursue moving targets. It's not merely a bullet, it's a game changer that never misses its mark. This ingenious innovation transcends the boundaries of typical precision shooting. It's more than a tool, it's a revolution that's set to redefine military efficiency. Envision a future where defense mechanisms are beyond what we've ever imagined, where missed shots are a thing of the past. The future of defense is already here, in the form of DARPA's self-steering bullet. Now diving into the fascinating world of the Landing Craft Air Cushion, or LCAC, a hovercraft marvel used by the U.S. Navy and Japan Maritime Self-Defense Force. First delivered in 1984, the LCAC was designed to ferry weapons, equipment, and personnel from ship to shore with unparalleled efficiency. With a crew of only 5 enlisted sailors, this craft boasts impressive capabilities, from beach landings to mine countermeasure operations. But here's the kicker. The LCAC has a cargo capacity of over 1,800 square feet and can carry up to 60 short tons at speeds exceeding 40 knots. And thanks to a service life extension program initiated in 2000, this hovercraft's service life was extended from 20 to 30 years through various upgrades and improvements. In the realm of military technology, Israel's Iron Beam laser system stands tall. Born from a need to counter short-range threats, this laser system redefines defense mechanisms. It's a glowing testament to human ingenuity, boasting a near-perfect success rate. Imagine a system that uses directed energy, transforming electricity into a silent, invisible protector. It's not sci-fi, it's real, and it's here. The Iron Beam laser, a game changer, providing an unprecedented level of security. It's a new era where threats are met not with bullets, but with beams of light. Prepare to be amazed by the Sikorsky Raider X. Not just a helicopter, but a leap into the future. Born from the labs of Sikorsky, a Lockheed Martin company, this beast is rewriting the rules of aerial warfare. A dual-rotor technology, the Raider X is a force multiplier, bringing unprecedented speed, agility, and maneuverability. It's not just fast, it's twice as fast as today's conventional helicopters. And it's not just about speed. The Raider X boasts a state-of-the-art fly-by-wire system, making it incredibly responsive and stable. It's a pilot's dream and an adversary's nightmare. But what really sets it apart is its versatility. The Raider X can handle everything from reconnaissance and light attack to air assault and medevac missions. The Raider X is a symbol of technological prowess and a testament to human ingenuity. Meet the PL-01, a crafty infrared camouflaged beast conceived from the synergy of Polish defense corporation Obrium and the renowned British BAE Systems. This avant-garde tank prototype, armed with its superior infrared camouflage technology, maneuvers with a stealth that renders it practically invisible to radar, infrared, and thermal detection systems. Furnished with a state-of-the-art cannon capable of discharging high-explosive projectiles, the PL-01 is more than just a defense vehicle. It symbolizes a revolutionary leap in defense technology, a tribute to human inventiveness, and a fascinating peek into the future of warfare. DRS Rada. Technologies isn't just a company, they're revolutionizing the defense industry. Their groundbreaking radar systems form the crux of modern military maneuvers, offering matchless situational comprehension. With a combination of strength and accuracy, these systems speak volumes about DRS Rada's pursuit of perfection. The advantages of using their technology? They're simply enormous. From amplified safety to refined decision-making, and from gaining a strategic advantage to dominating the battlefield, the returns are massive. No wonder DRS Rada finds faith in militaries all around the globe. Welcome to a world where technology meets military precision. We're diving into the Rheinmetall Mission Master CXT, a marvel of modern engineering. Born from the minds at Rheinmetall, a global leader in defense and security technology, the CXT is a force to be reckoned with. This unmanned ground vehicle is changing the game, providing soldiers with an extra layer of protection and advanced logistical support. With a payload of over half a ton, it can carry supplies, evacuate casualties, and even support in combat. Its adaptability is impressive, operating in various terrains and weather conditions. The Mission Master CXT is the ultimate ally. The beauty of this machine lies in its autonomous capabilities, making it a crucial part of the future battlefield. Picture this, a four-legged robot named Big Dog, a brainchild of Boston Dynamics, a name synonymous with cutting-edge robotics. This mechanical beast, capable of traversing some of the most challenging terrains, was born from a vision to support our military forces in the field. But what's the story behind Big Dog? It all started in the early 2000s with funding from the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency. Designed to carry hefty loads, this robotic mule can lug up to 340 pounds, all while maintaining balance on uneven ground. Big Dog's potential? Limitless. It could revolutionize logistics in combat zones, reducing the physical strain on soldiers and increasing efficiency. Imagine the possibilities. Created by the brilliant minds at Boston Dynamics, the Atlas robot stands at 4 feet 9 inches tall, redefining the future of warfare. Atlas Robot, a bipedal machine, is capable of navigating rough terrains, even performing backflips. It's not just agility that sets Atlas apart, it's also the advanced sensors, providing detailed environmental data. This tech marvel aids in dangerous missions, minimizing human risk. It's like something straight out of a Terminator movie. Except it's real, it's here, and it's changing the game. Have you heard of SaphyRAD MS by Burton Technologies? This device detects and measures radioactivity in the environment, a crucial tool for the military. It's robust, easy to use, and designed to withstand the harshest conditions. Imagine being able to pinpoint radiation sources in real time, enhancing safety and strategic planning. The SaphyRAD MS is more than a gadget. It's a lifeline for our modern forces. It's innovation that protects and technology that truly makes a difference. This ingenious device is not your average tech gadget. Engineered to combat drone threats, meet Skywall 100. Its highlights? A smart scope system for precision targeting, a rapid reload feature for instant action, and a physical capture method to ensure the safe disposal of threats. But that's not all. Skywall 100 is also designed for user-friendly operation, making it accessible to a wide range of operators. Imagine the potential of such technology in safeguarding our skies.